Hi. So we are at the RiverBank Jinja. Aunt Lydia, do you want to say hi?
So share from that. This being an Airbnb, you have to pay so yeah. And first we eat like food, yeah.
Would you come back here?
Yeah.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all.
So Asha.
I've enjoyed cooking for you guys.
Oh, thank you. This is a person who knows how to cook. Martha, no life skills, wouldn't survive.
I help. I do what I can.
She boiled water. Would you come back here?
Yeah. Yes, I will definitely come back here. I've enjoyed that. As I was saying, I would appreciate a few more pans because this being an Airbnb, you have to pay so yeah. And first we eat like food, yeah.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the
Literally at the riverbank, like literally. I woke up and I feel changed, and so yeah, time for Q&A. I feel like affordable is a relative term, but one thing that has made accommodation more affordable for me is sharing costs, whether it's with my family or my friends. For example, this house accommodates 4 people, and we share the costs. So yeah. Also, I look through sites and engage with the owners of the properties. I'm big on calling properties before booking, and then try to get a deal. Or say you are East African or Ugandan if you're traveling to Uganda, because somehow the costs are different. I don't know why. When I save, like I never wake up and travel on a whim. I wish I could, but I can't afford it. So most of my trips are planned prior, maybe at the very least I would say a month or two, and then I share costs with friends and family because coins, tax brackets. Currently, we are at an Airbnb. So my friend Asha has been in charge of cooking because she's the better cook of all of us, or because we are lazy, I'm not sure. But I hardly eat at the hotels. Actually, we normally do bed and breakfast, but because this is an Airbnb, we bought our own food and it's way cheaper. There's usually food in the towns next to the hotels that is cheaper. So yeah, bed and breakfast, then eat somewhere else, I guess. So travel with people who know the places. I highly suggest finding like a tour guide. my personal favorite is Amos Land Cruiser. I had traveled with Amos for the last maybe 7 years, and because he's a tour guide or a tourist expert, is that what they're called? I hope so. You see me, you will correct me. So usually he will be in charge of the itinerary. We tell him where we're going, how long we're going to spend there, and then he'll give us activities. For example, on this trip that I came with my friends who are 20 something, he gave us lots of adrenaline activities, but my friends and I are not courageous enough to bungee jump, so also coins. You can either carpool. It depends on where you're going. If you're within Kampala, you have lots of options. Boda being the easiest. But there are taxis. You can carpool, like take intervals in driving, I guess. If you can afford it and you're going to Karamoja or Marshall Falls, you can fly there. But coins, I mean, yeah. But normally we travel with Amos, and then we'll pay for the car and fuel the car ourselves and just give him a fee as our tour guide. I think the rate depends on your bargaining power. I did not say that.
Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment.
So we are in the bathroom, and I just want to mention that bathrooms are a very important part of accommodation. I actually go through the bathrooms, look through people's pictures, like just go to Google, don't look at the pictures by the hotels or the accommodation, because they always take them when the places are new and when they're clean. Look at people's reviews and then decide if you want to give these places your coins. Guys, this bathroom is to die for. Like, I could literally move in here and settle here. And then they have a modern sink, and it's detached from the tap. So the tap is just here, and then you turn it and the water will flow. Okay, water will stay, but you get the point. And then we have a monsoon shower. I took a shower here and I couldn't stop. I know I've always said like outdoor showers hit different, but showers by the RiverBank, that's something. It's like up there. I took a shower here, I washed my hair here, and this is life changing. I also like the tiles. My friend Sasha has a whole architecture degree, and she said it's, what did she say?
Exquisite.
Okay, she said it's English. Okay, it just looks like they put individual tiles, tiny tiles together. I'm going to insert a clip, and she said that's not how they do it. But you know what? I'm not the expert, so I'm not going to argue. I just know the place is beautiful. And also, for everyone asking, it goes for $140 right now. I feel like. And so for 2 nights, it's $280. But there are 4 people, so you can share the costs. Yeah. You can also just come with your bed and have 2 rooms. Just. Guys, that's everything there is at the house. If you like this kind of content, please like the video, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Love and blessings. See you in the next one.